That leaflet, though, that really hurt you guys, Labour, as a party, the Every Little Hurts leaflet, and continues to hurt you, really, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. It does, and it did, yeah. I mean, I wrote a few words at the time that Eamon Gilmore stepped down, and, you know, I sought to explain, even though I wasn't party to the decision. I mean, the decision was a decision of the leadership at the time, and so on. But I explained it in terms of two things. The first is that for as long as I can recall, going back to Brendan Corish as leader, the Labour Party has always lost ground in the last week of a general election, when the superior money comes out to play for what were then the two big parties. And we've always lost. We've lost, Dick Spring lost, Ruairi Quinn lost, I lost in the last week. And Gilmore determined that that shouldn't happen in this case. And he fought back, and that ad was part of fighting back. That's the first point. If he hadn't fought back, you would, I am certain, have an overall Fine Gael government. You would have an overall Fine Gael majority. And I think in the depth of the crisis that we were in, that nothing short of a national government would have held society together. The gravity of the crisis meant that you have to have a broadly based government that Fine Gael and Labour, when you put the two together, represented. Our people feared a single party Fine Gael government. I'm talking about our supporters, our Labour members, feared a single party Labour government. So Gilmore decided to fight back on that. Secondly, he didn't get the Labour government that he was campaigning for. I mean, a majority Labour party in the government. He was negotiating from a situation where, after the election, he had exactly half as many deputies as Fine Gael. I think it was 76-37 or something like that, and so on. So, you know, yes, of course, it has been wrapped around our necks by all of our critics since, in the toing and froing that goes on in politics. But the fact of the matter